Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. Today we're going to talk about demonetization audit. You're probably thinking, what the heck is that? Some of these things you may not need, but we wanted to make sure it was included because this is your channel, and if you see it, you're going to want to know it. So demonetization audit is, if you're monetizable, there may come a time that you're not getting monetized by YouTube. And that could be because you've done something that has made you not monetizable. So if you said it was for kids and it's not for kids, if you use somebody else's artwork or a piece of their video, they want you to be advertiser friendly. So they'll probably put you in there until you take care of it. And you can always, say dispute it if you want to. But you do want to follow the community guidelines. That is important. Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.